The problem, you live a sedentary life and you want to make a change, it's just physically and mentally tough to get up and get going. The solution, let's not get up just yet, let's start from where you are. First things first, we're literally just gonna practice sitting, but sitting with good posture. We're keeping our back straight, we're not slouching, and we're contracting those core muscles. Don't forget to breathe too. Sit at the edge of your chair and practice anytime, anywhere. Now we can go for our daily walks from our chair as well. Lift those knees like you're walking in place and move those arms. Walk naturally, I kinda look like a robot right now, but do you. And keep that core engaged throughout. Still keeping it simple, we're gonna lift our heels off the floor to work our calves. Then the opposite, we're gonna lift our toes to work our anterior tibialis. Both are important to protect our knees. Now we're gonna extend our legs for our knee mobility. You can lean back for this one, just make sure your back is supported. And if you wanna do some upper body cardio, shadow boxing is amazing. Time 30 seconds and work on your jab and uppercuts. I'm sure your spine is compressed. This little twist from side to side works well. Just follow your range of motion, don't try to crack your back. And let's work on those shoulders. We're gonna press up, then we're gonna bring our arms in front of our face. Now spread your arms to the side and do some circles in the reverse direction. Then we're gonna do them forward. We're doing 10 each. That's gonna keep burning until you switch directions. Now we're gonna do some big circles to the back and to the front. And let's throw in a full body move for good measure. These are seated jacks. And that's one way to start if you're sedentary.